We are on the verge of the single biggest shift in business history. And no, I'm not talking about the internet or the assembly line. I'm talking about something that's happening right now, something that will create a new wave of millionaires and, unfortunately, leave many businesses behind. This shift is the rise of the AI agent, your first true digital employee. Think about your business right now. How much time is wasted on repetitive manual tasks, things like researching competitors, digging through market data, writing social media posts, drafting emails, updating spreadsheets? The list goes on and on. Each of these tasks on its own might only take a few minutes, but add them all up, day after day, week after week, and you're looking at hundreds of hours of lost productivity. That's time you could be spending on strategy, on sales, on building relationships with your clients. That's money being left on the table. Now, when I say AI, I know what some of you are thinking. Oh, you mean that chatbot thing I used to write a poem for my friend's birthday? And yes, that's part of it. But thinking that's all AI is like looking at the first ever car and saying, oh, it's just a noisy horse carriage without the horse. The AI we have today has evolved far beyond simple chatbots. We're talking about sophisticated AI agents. So what is an AI agent? Imagine hiring an employee who is an expert in a specific field, who can work 24/7 without getting tired, without needing a coffee break, and who costs less than $1 a day. That's an AI agent. These aren't just tools you command. They are autonomous systems you can give a goal to, and they will figure out the steps to achieve it. Let's break this down with a couple of real-world examples. Meet your first digital employee, the research agent. Its job is simple: to become the world's leading expert on any topic you assign it. Let's say you run a real estate agency in Miami. You could tell your research agent, I want you to analyze the current luxury real estate market in Miami. Find the latest sales trends, identify the top competing agencies, discover what marketing strategies they're using, and summarize the key amenities high net worth buyers are looking for right now. A human would spend days, maybe weeks, compiling this information. They'd have to sift through dozens of websites, read countless market reports, and manually copy and paste data into a spreadsheet. The research agent, it can do all of this in minutes. It will access the internet, read hundreds of articles and reports, analyze the data, and present you with a concise, actionable summary. Suddenly, you're not just a real estate agent, you're the most informed real estate agent in all of Miami. That's already powerful, right? But this is where it gets truly revolutionary. We don't have to stop at just one agent. We can create a team of digital employees and have them work together. Let's introduce our second digital employee, the content agent. This agent is a master wordsmith, a creative genius who can take raw information and turn it into compelling content. It can write blog posts, social media captions, email newsletters, video scripts, you name it. Now let's chain them together. This is where the magic happens. We take the detailed market report from our research agent and we pass it directly to our content agent. Now we give the content agent a new goal. Using this market research, create a 1-month social media content calendar. Write 3 Instagram posts per week targeting high net worth individuals looking to buy luxury property in Miami. The tone should be sophisticated, exclusive, and aspirational. Also, draft a weekly email newsletter for our client list, highlighting a property of the week and sharing one key market insight from the research. Do you see what just happened? We created an automated workflow, a digital assembly line. The research agent gathers the intelligence, and the content agent turns that intelligence into marketing assets that generate leads and make you money. And this entire process, which would normally take a team of people and cost thousands of dollars, is now happening automatically in the background while you're out meeting clients or even sleeping. Let's talk about the real estate example again. The research agent finds that the hottest trend is properties with private boat docks. The content agent immediately starts creating posts. Tired of the marina waitlist? Your private yacht deserves a private home. Discover Miami's most exclusive waterfront estates. Or it drafts an email. The data is in. Boat docks are the new must-have luxury amenity. See our top 3 properties with private docking here. This isn't generic content. It's hyper-relevant. Data-driven marketing created at a scale and speed that is impossible for humans to match. And it's not just for real estate. Imagine you run an e-commerce store selling skincare. Your research agent could analyze customer reviews for competing products, identify common complaints like too greasy or strong scent, and your content agent could then write ad copy for your product that specifically addresses those pain points. Finally, a moisturizer that's deeply hydrating, never greasy, and completely fragrance-free. This is the future of business operations. It's about building systems, not just completing tasks. It's about leveraging intelligence at scale. The cost? It's almost laughably low. We're talking about pennies for tasks that would cost hundreds or thousands of dollars to outsource to humans. You're not paying for salaries, benefits, or office space. You're paying for pure, unadulterated efficiency. This technology is no longer some far-off futuristic dream. It's here, right now, and it's accessible to everyone. The tools to build these AI agents are becoming more user-friendly every single day. You don't need to be a programmer or a data scientist to get started. You just need to understand the problems in your business and be willing to think a little differently about how to solve them. Those who embrace this shift will build businesses that are faster, smarter, and more profitable than ever before. They will automate the mundane and free themselves up to focus on what truly matters: innovation, creativity, and human connection. Those who ignore it risk being outmaneuvered and left behind, wondering how their competitors are producing so much so fast. So the question is not if you should build a digital employee, but when. And the answer is now. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the potential reward has never been higher. You have the opportunity to build your own team of tireless, brilliant AI agents who will work for you 24/7 to grow your business. I want you to start thinking right now. What is the one repetitive task in your business that you hate doing the most? What if you could automate it forever, starting today? That's the power we're talking about. So, if you're ready to stop trading your time for menial tasks and start building a true automated business engine, then you're in the right place. Click that subscribe button, because in my next videos I'm going to walk you through step by step how to build your very first AI agent. It's time to build your first digital employee. Thanks for watching.